Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to recreate this Kriti Sanon inspired makeup look. She posted this look on Instagram a couple of days back and I instantly fell in love with this look. This look is so fun and it's a complete summer look and a poolside look, and it's so fun and wearable at the same time. This look gives such mermaid vibes that I'm in love with this. So before we get started with the video, guys, do subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon for more updates, and now let's get started. So guys, before moving on with the makeup, let's talk about my hair real quick. So I have been using the Loreal Professionnel Xtenso care range since the past couple of weeks and I love using it. This range has a shampoo, a mask and a serum, and I love how after every wash my hair turns out to be smooth, manageable and straight. This range is specialized for salon treated hair. This range has the best hair care products for straightened hair. It has Pro-Keratin, which strengthens the hair and protects the hair from outside, and Incel, which is a ceramide molecule to penetrate the cuticle, which strengthens hair from inside. So it's a three-step hair care routine which provides strength, nourishment and manageability. So I apply the Xtenso Care shampoo, which has an anti-dryness action, and it is priced at 580 rupees for 250 ml. Then I apply the Xtenso Care mask from my mid-lengths to the tips of my hair, which adds strength and nourishment to the hair, and it is priced at 685 rupees for 196 grams. And then I towel dry my hair and apply the Xtenso Care serum, and this gives manageable hair with increased shine. It's anti-frizz and anti-breakage too, and it's priced at 600 rupees for 50 ml. I'm linking the range down in the description. Get yours now and keep it Xtenso straight. So my hair is all prepped. Now let's move on with the makeup. I just washed my face with the Dermavive Hydra cleanser. This cleanser is for sensitive skin and I love using this cleanser before I start off with the makeup. It is SLS free, soap free, fragrance free, paraben free. It just does not dry out my skin after I use it. I'm going to moisturize my skin with the Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. I love using this before I apply makeup because it just creates a very smooth base for my makeup, and it is not oily or greasy, and it just gives me the right amount of hydration. It just hydrates my skin so well. Now I'm going to apply this Farsáli Volcanic Elixir Beauty Oil. You can mix it with your foundation or you can just use it alone, but I think I just need to shake it and mix it. And I'll just use 2 drops of it. I'm going to use the K Beauty foundation in the shade 130Y medium, and the sponge I'm using is from Sigma. I love how it looks so glowy and dewy after I applied the Polynesian Beauty Oil, the Farsáli one. I just forgot to apply the color corrector. This is from Sugar. This is the Face Forward Corrector Stick, Onward Orange. And I'm just going to apply it on the sides of my forehead because I have pigmentation there. I'm going to blend it with a brush real quick. And the brush I'm using is from PAC. This is the 272 brush. Now I'm going to apply the same color corrector under my eyes and blend it with the same brush. I'm going to use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. And I love using this concealer so much. This is so underrated. And I'm going to blend it using the same sponge. Then whatever's left on the sponge, I'm just going to apply it on top of my eyelids. Just for a clean base for my eyeshadow. To highlight my under eye area, I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Medium. Just going to apply it right here and then again blend it with a sponge. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Medium Moin. Just set the concealer and the top of my lids. Okay, so I'm done with my base and I'm super happy how my base turned out. Now I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to start off with the Colorbar. It's a Scandal Kajal and this is in the shade Poolside. This is a very, very bright blue. The shade is just so gorgeous. I just saw Kriti Sanon's look and I fell in love with the look because it is so summer. Oh my god, look at this. It is so summer appropriate and is so bright and so playful and colorful, and I am going to blend it with my fingers. I'm just going to place some powder on my under eye area in case there is any fallout, and I'm just going to remove it a little later once I'm done with my eyes. Taking the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this shade for my crease. So this is a mid brown shade and I'm just going to use it on my crease area. And the brush I'm using is from Oriflame. This is a blending brush. And I'm going to use the PAC 206 brush just to pack the blue shade. This blue right here is gorgeous. Oh my god, so pretty. I'm going to use the shade on my eyelid and not going too up, just staying a little low. I'm not taking any extra product, I'm just going to blend both the colors so that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm going to take this bright pink and apply it on my lower lash line. And she has really smoky pink bottom lash. Brush I'm using is from La Cara. This is the E008 brush. Now taking the lighter pink, I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit. Now taking the PAC 206 brush, I'm just going to blend it. Now I'm going to remove the extra powder. I'm going to line my upper lash line with the same blue Colorbar Kajal just to make the color really pop right there. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is from Huda Beauty. This is the Legit Lashes Mascara. For my contour, I am going to take the Sugar Contour D4's face palette in the shade Subtle Summit. And I'm going to use the PAC 261 brush. So I'm just going to contour my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, my jawline. I'm going to use the same palette for my blush. Now since there's so much color on the eyes, so I'm just going to keep it really subtle on the cheeks. I'm going to use the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter and this is in the shade Frosted Eyes. And taking the Plume P13 brush, I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. Brow bone area. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. Now taking the K-Beauty Matte Drama Lipstick. This is in the shade Premier. I'm going to apply it on my lips. Just a little bit and then again spread it with my fingers. Next I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution lipstick. This is in the shade Undress. I'm just going to lighten it up a little bit. So I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray and I'm going to spritz it all over my face. So I just applied a pair of mini So False eyelashes and I'm done with the look. This was super fun to recreate and this was super quick and super fun to recreate. I hope you guys recreate this look, and if you do, then don't forget to tag me on social media. My Instagram handle is Sush Dazzles. DM me, tag me, do whatever. I would love to see your recreations. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.